Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compound is given. P is alcohol, Q is alkane, R is chloride. Here the hydrogens are labeled as A and B. You have to find the topicity of A and B. Here how you find the topicity? The topicity can be identified by substitution. Here you are substituting A and B by Z. First compound if you substitute you have diastereomer because it already has one chiral center. You are substituting again, so it's a chiral, again the chirality. So again the chirality rises, it's a diastereomer. If you go with Q you have the same compound because of other substitution methyl group. So Z will form same substitution, it is called homotopic. If you look at the R, if you change it, you have enantiomer there. One and another is mirror image of each other. It is called enantiotopic. So the P is diastereotopic, Q is homotopic, R is enantiotopic. The concept you have to learn here is always you find the topicity by the substitution. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.